All right, video 811, bombs for Josh, 111, let's fucking go. So let's go F2 here, and top level constant macros, we have this new section, weak ass tiles. These are monkey wrench macros. We have some sanity check because I keep on typing 366 when I mean to type 336. So making sure that I am using the number that I think I should be using. And then we have a weak ass tile type of 1 for the Femi 336 tile types. The FATA encoded monochrome images that are going to be encoded into the FATA layer of bits when there is no FATA tile there. Okay, unknown beginning and end. These are W16 slots that are not allocated to anything yet. So 2 to 15 inclusive, we don't know what that is yet. So we're just going to make a map and kind of explicitly declare this range of tiles to be unused. Okay, let's go to the next section. So in tile fed, this is our stateful tile boy basically. Inside of this helper function. So when the program is behaving as an editor, and we want to get what type of U32 to kind of put into the tile map, and when we are using editor controller 2, and when editor controller 2 is in lay Femi mode. So a lot of overloads, right? These are the overloads, and this is the function, and this is the namespace. Okay, let's go and look at this. We got a nice little diagram explaining how the information is laid out. The Femi tile is encoded in most of the green bits, and then one most significant blue bit to get a value 0 to 335 inclusive, and we don't know what these bits will be, okay? This is the weak-ass tile type right here. This value must be 0 on the FATA layer in order for this to be weak-ass tile type information. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to extract the data, all right? We're going to extract the data from our editor. So this is shorthand for our editor object, and this is the Femi 366 value. The tile size from the editor, hard-coded to layer 2, the FATA layer, error checking, global tile X and global tile Y extracted from the editor, and some monkey wrench macros, and then bounds checking of the Femi tile. Make sure it's in the correct range, and then we'll do the rest of the bit packing logic in a different video, but we don't really have time, so that's pretty much it. And then down here is what we did previously, and then footnotes and what we did in this video. And if you want a longer explanation, go to tinyworld.com/ninja-playlist9 for the long explanation. You are on Kanji Playlist 9. Source code is right here, and ways of getting a hold of me are there, so like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder, and I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO. Like and subscribe.